हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल, जहाँ पे मैं बात करती हूँ सोशल वर्क में कैरियर अपॉर्चुनिटी के। तो आज हम 3 वैकेंसी के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। सबसे पहले जो वैकेंसी हम चर्चा कर रहे हैं वो सोशल वर्क के साथ साथ MBA के स्टूडेंट भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। द नेम ऑफ द ट्रस्ट इज़ द गोट ट्रस्ट एंड दे आर हायरिंग फॉर द सोशल वर्क पोस्ट फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ MIS एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एक्सपर्ट. So those who have completed their Master of Social Work MSW course and having experience in MIS and logistic and related field, they can apply for this vacancy. But they must have the strong proficiency in Microsoft Office like Excel, Word and PowerPoint. Experience in report writing is very important for this vacancy because this vacancy is especially for the documentation purpose. So you must have the knowledge about the case study preparation and the excellent management skill. If you having a strong attention to detail and analytical thinking, and you are able to manage multiple tasks and meet according to their deadlines, then you will be the preferred and the best candidate suitable for this vacancy. So if you are looking for this kind of job, then you can apply for this vacancy. You just must you have only to send them रिज्यूम आपको भेजना है इस ईमेल एड्रेस पे tgroup.hr@gmail.com पे, और आप अपना इंटरव्यू यहाँ पे शेड्यूल करा सकते हैं. सो इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी ट्रबल इन अप्लाइंग फॉर दिस वैकेंसी, देन you can contact over this given mobile number. The mobile number is 9650891055 and 9044218563. So you can contact over this mobile number. Next vacancy which we are going to discuss today is related with the location of Delhi. Those who are looking for the job in South Delhi, especially those who have completed their Master of Social Work MSW course and looking for the post of Child Welfare Officer, they can apply for the vacancy of for the location of Malviya Nagar, South Delhi. The qualification required for this vacancy is MSW only, Master of Social Work. So Tara Girls is looking for the dedicated and passionate child welfare officer. So you just go through the description and apply for this vacancy. The method of applying vacancy is very easy. You have just send your resume and CV to the HR@, taraindia.org. So those who have completed their Master of Social Work and interested in looking forward the child welfare work and having experience in child welfare, they can apply for this vacancy. And the last vacancy today we are discussing about related with the Child Protection and Empowerment Officer. For the same organization, this is the detailed advertisement which I discussed just before in this video. NYVK is the organization which they are looking for the child welfare officer, and you have to report to program lead officer and the subordinates like nanny, cook, cleaning person and volunteers. If you want to know much more about this organization, you can log in to their website. Website is www.onyvak.in. You can go through this organization website and get more details about their working criteria, their organization in each and every detail, like they are working in daily welfare and well-being of the children, making sure they are safe and well taken care of and their emotional and physical needs are met. So as a child welfare officer, you have to responsible for ensuring that all child welfare committee requirements are met. The operations which you have to look after is like oversee the efficient and effective day-to-day operation of the home. So आपको होम विजिट करना पड़ सकता है. तारा गर्ल्स शेड्यूल आपको जिस तरह से देगी उस तरह से जाके आपको प्रोग्राम लीड करवाना है. होम टू होम विजिट करके गारंटी देना है इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ रूल, लाइक जो चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन पॉलिसी है, गवर्नमेंट के HR पॉलिसी है, मीडिया पॉलिसी है, इस सब का अच्छे से वहाँ पे रूल रेगुलेशन फॉलो हो रहा है कि नहीं, उसको आपको लुक आफ्टर करना है, यानी कि मॉनिटरिंग करना है एज ए चाइल्ड वेलफेयर ऑफिसर. साथ ही जितने चाइल्ड से रिलेटेड जितने भी एक्ट्स है, लाइक चाइल्ड राइट्स से जुड़ा हुआ, जैसे JJ एक्ट है, जुवेनाइल जस्टिस एक्ट है, चाहे पॉस्को एक्ट है, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड अगेंस्ट सेक्सुअल ऑफेंस, इस तरह का जो भी गवर्नमेंट का पॉलिसी है उसको आपको लुक आफ्टर करना है। और आपको जितने भी गाइडलाइंस है गवर्नमेंट के, उसका किस तरह से वहाँ पे रूल एंड रेगुलेशन फॉलो हो रहा है, वो सब भी आपको मॉनिटर करना पड़ सकता है। सो 10 टोटल आपको जो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन प्रोसेस है उसमें आपको वेल्ड होना है। साथ ही 10 केस फाइल जो हो उसके अगेंस्ट आपको बनाना है। यू विल बी द रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द केस स्टडी, मेकिंग फाइल्स ऑफ दिस case studies. Like you have to ensure the physical, emotional and well-being of the children. They are how they are monitored, they are observe, listen and help support and guide the children. You have to take care of all these. Along with this child care protection, you have also be in charge for the educational related matters, like their best school possible, which meet their needs, how they are able to go to school, how their parent teacher meeting are going on, everything. Beside their protection, you also have to take care of their educational related matters. So these are the important things. There are a lot of things, you just go through each and every in detail. So for if you are looking, you are interested and you are eligible for this vacancy, just apply according to their need. Send your CV and resume to hr@taraindia.org. This is all about today. If you are new to the channel and you want to watch more about this vacancy, you can join my Telegram channel, and you also ask your doubts in comment sections. And if you are social worker, you must aware about the March is observed as the social work month. So I wish to all the social worker happy social work month. So celebrate your March month. दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट टुडे। मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बने रहिए। धन्यवाद।